What's up? Welcome to episode number 19 of 10K on the Bay, my journey to 10,000 active listings on eBay. Thanks for joining me. Today we're going to talk about 5 things about eBay mobile that really bother me, and I'm hoping that eBay is listening so you guys can help me change it and I can cut my listing time in half. The first thing is that there's no custom SKU field on the eBay mobile app, which is disappointing because it's available on the desktop app. And it is a useful way for other sellers like myself to keep track of the location of the item in the warehouse. So for example, if I put A101, it's in bin A1 and it's the first item in that bin, I now put that code in the title so that I can easily find it on my phone when I'm walking around looking for an item. And unfortunately, I have to waste a keyword in the title, and also it's an unintentional keyword spamming because customers are not searching for my bin title when they're looking for an item. So it's kind of a lose-lose situation. I wish there was an easier way for me to keep track of the location on the eBay mobile app, but currently there is no way to enter in where your item is. The second thing is that there's no ability to select a pre-made template on eBay mobile. I use the exact same return policy and the exact same payment policy on every single one of my items, but I have to re-enter those in every single time I list an item. And I use the same shipping policies over and over again, and yet I have to go in and edit that every single time. It's very unfortunate. I have now gone to a system where I finish my listings on the desktop, which shouldn't be necessary. If eBay really wants to compete and get it to a point where it's easy to list, it's not easy to have to use your phone and your computer. So on that same point brings me to my third grievance, which is that if I select flat rate shipping, I can't also enter in the weight at the same time. I think I found a workaround where I basically select calculated shipping, enter the weight in, then go back and change it to flat. But that's kind of a waste of time. I wish there was a way just to enter in the weight when you select flat rate shipping. I also want to mention that I do list on the iOS system through iPhone, so this may not be the same for Droid. But I just wanted to basically voice some ideas, so hopefully you guys can make a few updates that can greatly improve the listing experience. The fourth thing is that you can't take a picture in the square form, which takes up the most real estate on a picture on somebody's phone. You have to crop it after you take the photo. And that's unfortunate because each time you have to revisit a process, it wastes time. And for a lot of our sellers that are smaller, trying to get to a higher level, time is of the essence. And so anything you can do to help us save time would be awesome. And having a few extra pixels of space to display your photos is excellent. But the only way to take a photo one time and enter it in would be to take them separately on a different computer in square form or a separate camera, and then re-enter those in on your computer or upload them on your phone. There is not a way that you can list and take a square photo right from the start, which is very unfortunate. It's almost as if it's built to take the photo separately from listing. Okay, and that brings me finally to my fifth point about eBay Mobile, which is frustrating, which is that it only displays 600 active listings. On my journey to 10,000 listings, that'll mean there are 9,400 items that I cannot access in the active section on my phone. So as an eBay seller, I really just need to be tied to my laptop all day. That's really sad. I really hope you guys make some changes to help us out because that would be awesome. So hope everyone's having a great day. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Have a great one.